remember when Alec Bohm made that terrible comment
Mhm.
about I hate it here when he was having a really bad game, and the camera caught it.
Right.
And Kevin was the first person in the clubhouse that he knew what he had done because his phone was blowing up. Got a couple of veterans together, took them off in the corner, and said, "Look, there's no way you can get out of this. The best thing you can do now is to be accountable. How few people in the society anymore are accountable for their misjudgments,
Sure.
mistakes?" And he answered every question directly. Said that's the way I felt right then. It wasn't the right thing to say. I don't hate it here. I actually love Philadelphia. I love the fans. Said it with sincerity. And the next game he came out, he got a standing ovation.
Absolutely.
When is that ever happening? Thanks for having me.
The Dr.